If you like to cook for yourself on holiday, keep watching. We went for a walk at 8 a.m. because it's nice. It's nice and calm along the water, and the town of San Pedro hasn't woken up yet. Enjoyed our coffee and our matcha latte while we walked. I found a coconut on the ground. I don't know if I was supposed to pick that up, but I shook it and I could hear that there's coconut water in it. So yo, I'm trying to open it up. This is all I got. Wish me luck. But I mean, how hard can this be? Ha! Look at that. See that fresh coconut water in there? Yes, boy. Okay. Ooh, yeah, baby. Woo! Look at that, baby. Cut my own coconut up. I just gotta straighten it out. It's got pieces of like the coconut in there. Cheers. Good thing there's a market nearby, so we're gonna go get some fruits, some plantain, make something quick for lunch.
Kristen burns it.
It's not burnt, it's perfect. Quick lunch with minimal ingredients straight from the market down the street. Got the little boat we're going. We ended up hiring some local fishermen / tour operators. They came to pick us up at our condo. We hopped on their boat and they took us out for a few hours. The water was perfect. Beautiful sky, beautiful weather, everything was right. And we enjoyed our day, all while they spearfished for our dinner.
He was fishing yesterday, didn't catch nothing.
Cheers. Finish off the gallon of coconut water. Fresh coconut water from the coconut man. All right, we just came back from our fishing expedition and I'm gonna cook up some fish. The boys caught plenty lobster. There's some hogfish in here and I think some snapper. Fresh from the ocean. Stopped at the market just around the corner. Got some plantain to eat with the fish. Got some corn to throw on the barbecue. Garlic, lime, and onion are gonna go in the hogfish. Onions, garlic, pepper sauce. What else? Butter.
Hogfish. Good looking hogfish. Fresh.
And then we have Belizean lobster. Belizean lobster only has tail and they don't have any claws. So this is the Belizean lobster.
How do they not have latches or a lighter?
Richard is out there starting the barbecue, getting it all hot and lit. We played giant Jenga, had some drinks, and watched the sun go down while we cooked. Look at the crabs.
Get one of those.
Don't run.
At least it's sizzling. That's a good sign.
There's plantain, some hogfish, straight on the Barbie.
More importantly, I have an important Jenga move coming up here. Can't lose. If I lose, the meal won't taste good no matter what. The taste of defeat.
Not coming down, not on my watch.
Zoom in on the massage of the Jenga. Close we go.
Looking good. Set the timer.
Champs, there's no pretending.
Could we have gone out to a local restaurant or vendor for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Absolutely. Would it have cost less than what we paid for the day today? Perhaps. But we also experienced a full day of movement and excitement with lasting memories. If you could see yourself traveling the way we like to travel, please consider subscribing to the channel.